Hi there. So we've made it to Module 3, and in Module 3 we'll be talking about how to apply the theory we've learned up until now. So what is my role identity? The first question you will have to ask yourself is, what is my role identity? In other words, who are you in relation to yourself and others? You can have as many role identities as you want, and I would suggest that if you haven't already got some kind of journal or something, that you write down somewhere all of your different role identities. Another question you may want to ask yourself is, what role would I like to have? Just because you don't have a particular role at the moment, but the fact that there is a role that you would like to have means that you somehow identify with that role, and therefore it's a role identity for you. What are the values that govern your role identity? To answer this question, you may want to use the value sheet to help you decide on specific values. For example, if one of your roles is a teacher, then perhaps a value associated with that role is patience. And also, I would suggest that you write these down somewhere. These are just basic questions. However, there are other questions you can use to help you determine your role identity and personal values. For example, who are some people you truly admire? Try to list a few people. What do these people have in common? Do you see a similar role identity between them? If yes, then perhaps the reason why you admire them is because their role identity is also the one you identify with. So this could also be a potential way that you could explore and find out what your role identity is. What values do these people represent? Whatever values you associate with the people you look up to are probably also the values you mostly associate with.